one for the Tri-5 fans, and it is a beauty. Take a look at this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop VC. Beginning of the VIN on this one, real deal Bel Air, original V8 car. So 283 V8 power underneath the hood. That's now paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Let's check out the chrome and the bright work on the front of this one. Of course, the Bel Air grille, that gold inlay, and the Chevrolet gold emblem on the hood. Paint coat on this one, 817. So this is an original Canyon Coral car, and that would be the main color on it. The accent color, India Ivory. As far as interior, trim code 670. That would give you the black and silver cloth vinyl combination. This car is still looking very much like it would have looked back in 1957, cruising down Main Street, headed to the soda fountain, so to speak. All right, let's take a little closer look at these wheel covers. Chevrolet wheel covers with the tri-bar, wide white wall radial tires. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Passenger side, nice and straight. Those long panels, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Bright work and trim work. Also nice and polished. Fender skirts intact. Beautiful car. When we get around to the driver's side, we'll take a little closer look at that interior. You can see seat belts up front and the rear. Want to take your grandkids with, family members, friends, have some fun. This one's a cruiser, folks. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome and bright work. Excellent shape on the rear of this car. True dual exhaust, front to back. Dual antenna setup. Of course, fuel fill or gas fill hidden back when cars were built with some style. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check them out. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Technician did note brakes are 100% in the front of this car, 80% on the rear. Did have just a slight seep on the rear axle seals. FYI, it has a tilt column in it now. New blower motor and switch. New heater cable controls. New speedo cable and gears. New gaskets top to bottom. If you like Tri-5 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here's a prime example. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. As you can see, driver's side looks as good as the passenger side. Paint almost looks wet. And again, this one shows as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos, folks. All right. Interior has been redone. It's free of rips, tears, holes. And again, seat belts front and rear. Door panels matching the seats. Painted to match dash. Love that headliner. This car is ready to turn the key and go drive, have some fun, no doubt about that. Sounds as good as it looks too. Top of the dash, looking good. Aftermarket retro sound style radio in it. Temp gauge mounted underneath the dash, and that was a cold start, as you can see. We're going to let it warm up here just a little bit. We'll get it off that higher idle, let it idle down a tad. Oh, let's check the radio. How about that?
Teach me
choke on. Now, let's take a listen. Like I said, sounds as good as it looks. Nice rumble coming out of that 283. We better go take a look at the engine bay and let's see how that looks. We'll wrap up this walk around, and Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how this one goes down the road. All right, good look at the underside of the hood. Nice, clean, and tidy like the rest of the car. And here it is, engine bay. Beautiful also. Must have just a little bit of a mild cam. That 283. Newer battery, just a few years old, from 23. HEI ignition. Holley 4-barrel on there. Hey, if you like Tri-5s, here's a great example. Don't be afraid to jump in this one and go 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, real deal, 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Canyon Coral, main color of this car with an India ivory accent. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1957 Chevrolet in rose-colored paint. A very nice looking car. Black and silver interior, matches the chrome very well against that paint. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it very easy to drive. This car starts and idles nicely, very smooth runner. The blower motor works on this car. Acceleration is good. Very nice ride. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. That is working as it should. The wipers also working on this car. Turn signals both also working. Very nice looking bench seat covers. Sort of original style, at least the look of them. Very well done. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. The 57 Chevy, there's not much more iconic than that. And in the rose color, something a little different, something a little special. Not just red, not just black. It's in a great color. A very 50s color. Corners luxuriously, corners very well, easy to steer. What a great cruiser and a great looker, this 1957 Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.